Understanding Bike Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of everyday English phrases. We'll explore the meaning, use, and context of the phrase, bike repair. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. First, let's dissect the phrase. Bike repair combines two words, bike and repair. A bike is a shorthand term for a bicycle, a two-wheeled vehicle propelled by pedaling. The word repair refers to the act of fixing something that is broken or damaged. So, put together, bike repair involves fixing or mending bicycles. The phrase, bike repair, can be used in various contexts. 1. As a noun. It can be a service offered in shops or a task that someone does. For example, I took my bike for a bike repair. 2. As an activity. When someone is fixing a bike themselves, they are doing a bike repair. Example, I'm busy with bike repair this weekend. To help you understand better, let's see some sentences. 1. Do you know a good place for bike repair around here? 2. I learned bike repair to maintain my bicycle. 3. The local shop offers free bike repair workshops. Some phrases related to bike repair include bike maintenance, regular checks and adjustments to keep a bike in good condition. Bike mechanic, a person skilled in repairing and maintaining bikes. Bike shop, a store where you can buy bikes and get them repaired. That's all about bike repair. We hope this video clarifies how to use this phrase effectively in your daily English conversations. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning, and see you next time.